We offer 5 experiences right now. We solve the black box issue, which is very dominant in the industry, and not many people are working on this.
I could only relate to notebook LLM.
Yes,
Honestly.
yes.
So is it your competitor and how you are differentiating
Yes,
that?
I would be very upset if you didn't ask me that.
How you are.
Yes.
So three customer segments for you. One AI trend you think like it's overhyped. Today we are at DevCon with Onkar from AI Scare. Hi Onkar.
Hi,
How are you?
I am all well, all well. How are you?
I am good. So can you explain a bit about AI Scare?
Yes, absolutely. So we at AI Square do 3 things right now. The first part is content creation. We want you to create your own knowledge base, upload it onto our platform via Content Vault, and then with that knowledge base, you can create n number of experiences. We offer 5 experiences right now, which is AI Note, which is more of a blog, podcast, voice podcast. You can create it any language that you want. Your main file, original file can be in English language. You can also create a French podcast from it. So that is a possibility. We also have AI Expert, which is a chatbot that you can make. And we also have the agentic quiz kind of a program. All of this is structured in a AI studio. That's the main microsite that is created. We want you to have as much freedom as possible, and we also respect your safety and security. That's why all of the data that you upload is not used to train any model. It's not going anywhere out. It is completely stored on our cloud. And once we go live, once we go open source soon, we also will enable you to store it locally so that your files are securely kept within your own zone, and it's not going anywhere outside. So especially for enterprise, this is extremely critical. Then once you create a studio, you publish your content. So you publish your experiences. Now that the first column is done, which is the creation flow. Now what you do is, how do you get people to get on the microsite to explore the creations, right? That's a very big problem. As AI Square, as we are quite kind people, we want you to do as little as possible. So we have created Audience Manager onto our platform. That's a tool that helps you discover and outreach to people. So with that tool, you just, all you need to do is type in who do you want to reach out to. So your studio is maybe for music. You just type in people who are interested in music. It will go on to web, open web, LinkedIn, as well as emails. If you have any, it will scrape that information and it will reach out to those people. So the pipeline is currently, we have customized it to the industry golden rule. Right now it's a drip campaign, but you can also in future you can customize that pipeline as well. Now, one more thing, that you can also upload your own set of content, contacts that you have. With that, you can create, like, you can outreach to them as well. Now, the beauty of it is you can either do it via your own LinkedIn, or you can use our LinkedIn as well. We have our own LinkedIn set up, agentic LinkedIn. Now, once you have people onto your platform, now what do? So you create more content, but the process of that is again highly customized. So it's not like any other LLM where you put an input, you get an output, and job is done. No, we want you to have as much control, as much governance as possible. This is why we have actually developed explainability layer. Let me show you that as well. So within the explainability layer, we solve the black box issue, which is very dominant in the industry, and not many people are working on this so far. It's basically an introspection, a magnifying glass within what is happening between the input and output. So if you see here, this example is a demo right now. It is a stock. So this is the input that was given, was a stock analysis for buying NVIDIA. What did it consider? What did it use in terms of agents? What are the policies that it checked before it gave me a solution within my studio? This will be integrated with our platform. There will be no other thing that you need to go. Everything will be one-stop solution at AI Square. Now here, once this entire structure is done, right? You saw it thinking there. You will see this is the first layer of simplicity. You can make it as complicated as possible for your own control. We see yellow is the decision that happened. These are the agents. Blue is the agent. Red is the policy. Orange is the user that we have. Now again, this is not hard coded. This is dynamic. If you want to have 4 people to verify something before it goes out, you can do that here. If you want to have 10 policies which are checks, especially in certain industries, there are certain policies that you have to go through, that can be customized here. If I want to completely remove a particular decision trace, I don't like this option, I can remove this, and rather than that, I can directly connect it here and get a different solution. Rather than sitting and prompting again and hoping that it listens, you make it listen. So that is the beauty of it. this is the cherry on top of the cake. At the end of the day, we want you to create stuff, build what you really like, because it's not just a creation. We don't want to create for the sake of it. This is you. This is you as a person. This is your digital footprint. And that is what we care about. That is why we also care about your safety and security and your control. That's basically entire AI Square platform.
Got it. Really love that. Worship you. Really love that. So there are two follow-up questions.
Yes.
So like while you were explaining that, I could only relate to notebook LLM.
Yes.
Honestly.
Yes.
So
Valid
is
question.
it your competitor and how you are differentiating
Yes,
that?
I would be very upset if you didn't ask me that. So yes, that is the absolutely best question to ask. It is very similar to Notebook LM, but I will list you many things that they don't do that we do.
Okay, give me top three things.
Top three things. Okay. First of all, Notebook LLM is personal. This can be used for public. You can market to people. You can use it for sales. You can use it for leads. That won't help you with that. You will have to do it separate. I don't know, but that's something that we help you with. It does not give you logical reasoning. It will give you the product. It will not tell you how. So that's something that we help you with here.
Just a minute. I was here only, so you were saying that it is still in process and not live, right?
Yeah, it will be live within end of March. So
Okay,
that's just it's happening in the back end. But so what you're seeing right now, this is still happening on the platform. This is not visual yet.
got it.
Yeah.
And third thing.
Third thing would be marketing, creation, and governance of it. Notebook LM uses your content to also train their models. To be honest, it's not very vocal about it, and we can't even ask them that they're Google. So here we are very vocal about it. We are confidently saying that this is safe in our vault. If you don't even trust us, you can host it locally. We provide that solution. We will go open source today. We have actually gone open source today. We have provided one repository. We'll be launching more soon. We care about you as a developer, not just a developer, you as a person, to have the maximum control, feel very comfortable in creating. That is why the safety and security is where it comes in. And one more thing, they don't have Nasiko with them. We have Nasiko, they are our partner company. They are expertise, their expertise is agentic governance. Right now, every big company is chasing after faster models, faster solutions, faster output. But bhai ban raha kya hai? Like, this is why you need agentic governance and explainability, because you should care about what is being made, because that, like I said, it is you, that is your digital footprint. That is our solution and gift to the world.
Got it. And okay, so like, what's your business model? Like, how you are?
Yes. So right now the platform is completely free for any user, any individual user, completely free. We do not use any token system. You can create any number of AI experiences, studios. You can market it as well with our audience manager. We have enterprise level solutions where we charge a particular sum of money basis of their customization, their users. They have a lot of users, right? It can be either 20 or 20,000. So that is why we charge them on. We also customize the solutions for them. So maybe a enterprise does not need a particular set of agent, like a chatbot, or they need something else. So one of the companies that which I can't name, but we are working at right now, they need lead generation curation within the expert itself, which it does not do right now, but we can customize it for them. We provide APIs for everything that we do, because we will be going open source. You can integrate your own APIs. All we care about is creation and quality creation. That's what it is about.
Okay, so like, top three customer segments for you.
Right now we are still going through a lot of ICPs, but I would say based on the users that we have acquired, we have a lot of content creators, mainly from Substack. They come on our website, they create multiple different content pieces from their existing content. And because we provide these level of customizations, it feels that they feel that it is still their content. It's not just like LLM creation. The second is education sector and sales sector, enterprise, which use this for training and governance of their own like staff, as well as sales execution. So we have helped people to cut down their sales funnels where the lead time increases because they depend on a lot of different moving parts within the company. That is getting addressed by our training models. We also do a collection feature where their training and recruitment program is simplified. So you don't have to buy another HR tool. You can do the recruitment by audience manager. You can once onboard it, just give them the studio. The collection is there. The guy can go through 1, 2, 3, and we provide the quiz so that you know that they have done their homework or not. So that is one.
Okay, like, you like, talked about various tech roles and various different roles. So as per you, like down the line, 3 years, which roles would be like of more use in industry?
Which roles would be of no use?
Yeah,
You mean
that
job
will be taken care by AI.
AI entirely? I mean, to be very honest, my job would be the one online because I am the GTM guy, right? So marketing is first of many, which will be. It is actually already happening. Meta, Google have already modified their ads manager to make it as easy as possible, as seamless as possible. Now you don't even have to upload a creative; it makes a creative on its own. Those are the jobs that will be on the line. But like I said, AI squared does value the humans. We really care about it. So I won't say that it will be completely eliminated because by the end of it, a human is going to consume it. If we don't see a human involvement, there is a level of kind of hesitation that comes in. So that is why, yes, I mean, creative fields are there, but there's a reason why creative fields will stay strong because a human is behind it. Then comes your development fields where again it's more where there is rigidity, it can be automated because there is a set of rules that we follow. Same goes in marketing, and I won't they don't technically have a third, but um HR recruitment to certain extent because you have like tools which again like I said, they go through profile, they analyze the CV, they schedule an interview. You have like virtual agents which can literally talk on video call. They can verify your answers, they can give you a score, and they can get you in the company. So those are the first three that I can feel.
Okay, so one AI tool that you use very frequently, except AI Square, and most common like GPT, Gemini, Claude.
Yes. Personally, I was more of a ChatGPT guy, but I recently switched to Gemini. I was actually about to make the jump to Claude yesterday. I would recommend everyone to do that. And the reason behind it is Gemini gave me more control over the content that I wanted. So I trained Gemini via gems to have different personas because I do GTM. I have many different personas that I work with. But now on Claude, I can automate a lot of workflows and I can do custom integrations as well, which I will be doing for marketing this platform also. So I would say Claude.
One AI trend you think like it's overhyped.
One AI trend, AI is going to take away jobs. That is overhyped, but I mean, I would not want that to happen, but yes, that's a little overhyped.
Got it. And one advice you want to give to some younger one that
Yes.
has just started his career.
Yes. Okay. So for them, I would say early adoption is always best. Be on the trend. Use these tools. I mean, at the end of the day, you need to try everything before you understand that. So at the start of your career, you have no clue what you don't have the experience, right? So you don't know what you want. So how will you know what you want? Try everything out. See what you like, and then take a call. Even our product, see if you like it, only then use it. Otherwise, you can try something else. There's so many options out there.
So guys, do check out. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.